today we're going to be doing another installment on the Quick Fix series. We're going to be doing a radio removal and upgrade. So we're going to be removing this ICM1, the base model radio, and we're going to be putting in ICM2, which is the middle of the road radio. So we're going to be removing this. It's a pretty simple process. We basically have to take out this air vent, and then there's two Torx that hold the radio in, and then a couple of electrical connectors. But we'll go ahead and get started with this. There's 3 clips down below and 3 clips up top, and that'll pop out the air vent. So these tabs, there's one right here, one right here, one right here, and then the 3 on the top. We got the first 2 loose, so it's a little bit loose and we can stick a pry tool in there. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna stick your tool in here and pry down on it. So you're pushing up the tab, and then it should be able to slide out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the 2 here, the 2 here, and the 2 here, and hopefully just kind of slowly slide it out. So we got the air vent out. You can see 3 top clips right here and 3 bottom clips right there. You can kind of line it up and visualize yourself. Another strategy that's useful if you start from this side like we did and work your way over is use some old like credit cards or membership cards to kind of help hold those clips while you're working on other clips so they don't pop back in and then you have to start over. But now there are 2 Torx bolts. There's one right there and then there's one over there, and we can pull the ICM1 out. One big connector right there, you have to push back on this tab and then pull, and it'll slide right out. Connector is in. Slides back in there pretty easily. And just screw your 2 clips back in. Now you do have to marry this. I will show that process here in a minute once we're all done with the reinstallation, because this will not work because it's not married to the car. But that's not a very difficult process once you have a Tech 2 and security access. And there it goes, it works. Cool, and all the lights work too, which was a problem with her old climate control, so we got a new one of those.
What do you mean it doesn't work?
Wait, what? You guys hear that? Turn it up.
Literally works.
What?
With my same...
And her stations are programmed too? Okay, I'm confused. Push it over that, and then ready for satisfying part. So there you have it. That is how you install an ICM2, or I guess do a radio removal or replacement or upgrade in a 2003 to 2006 Saab 9.3. Now I do apologize for mentioning earlier in the video that you needed to marry the new unit, and I thought you did, because when I put the OEM nav in my Turbo X, of course this is a 2008 so it has the updated interior, I had to get this married and it wouldn't work until we did that. So I figured that for the 03 to 06 that was the same, but it's not. So good news is you don't need a Tech 2 to do this job, and it'll just work right off the bat like ours did. So that was a nice pleasant surprise. But as you saw, pretty simple process. The only thing that's a pain is removing that air vent. But with that being said, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll see you all next time.